Friends, in last two videos, we understood commands, predefined functions, print function, characters, strings, use of double and single quotes, plus escape characters and escape sequences. And in last two videos, we didn't see like what commands are, why they are used for, and the escape sequences. Can we use them as a plain text or not? So in this video, let's discuss about the commands first. Okay, let me tell you a story. Back in times, a developer wrote a calculator program in Python and delivered it. And then he started working on some other languages or some other programs. Then after a few years, he was supposed to write the same calculator program, but with some extended things. Then he came back to the old program, calculator program, but he was not able to understand which line of code to edit. And then we made the comment, we got a concept called comments. Now, the comments is nothing, but it is used for developers to understand their own code, or sometimes other developers to understand one developer's code. Now, the comments won't be executed, but they will solve the purpose of understanding. Like I'll show you an example. First of all, for comments, I'll be using a character called hash, right? And after that, I will be writing a comment. Suppose I want to write my name. So this line is used to write or print my name. Okay, and I will write print and I will write my name over here, right? And if I'll run it or execute it, you will see my name is printed, but the above line is not printed. But now if I give you this code and you want to update with your name, you can simply change my name and write your name, and you will be able to understand that the below line is used to print the name. So you know where to update your name, right? So this is what comments do, and this is what comment is. Now let's talk about the escape sequences. We know like backslash is used as escape sequence, escape character, and anything after that escape character will give us a new meaning in that particular string, right? Like that, if I say here print in brackets I am an engineer, and if I want to write here like I want it in backslash n or new line, then this is my escape sequence. What it will do is it will print the engineer in next line. But what if I want this backslash n to be printed there only? I don't want it in next line, but I want to print it over there. So what I'll do is, there are two ways. What I'll do, one is I'll give it again a backslash over here. So this backslash will show me that the particular path where the escape sequence is. Now these two characters will be escape sequence, and these two backslashes means one backslash as an escape sequence, right? So if I run it or execute it, you will see a backslash n is shown in between I am an engineer. Make sense? And in the same part, if I need like four backslashes, so I'll write print, then I need four backslashes. So what I'll do is 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I got I've given four backslashes to print, but if I'll execute it, I'll get only two backslashes. So these two backslashes will be termed as escape sequence, and they will give me one backslash, and the remaining two will give me another backslash. So what I'll have to do is I have to give either 8 backslashes, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 backslashes to gain 4 backslashes, right? So an escape sequence can be termed as a normal text by giving an extra backslash before the escape sequence starts. That will change the procedure of escape sequence, and two backslashes is one backslash, right? And now the second part, how to do the escape sequence as plain text without giving any extra backslash or without changing the sequence of the escape sequence. So what we'll do is print, and we will write I am an engineer, and I will be giving a backslash over here, backslash n, but I don't want I don't want to give a backslash before the backslash sequence. This sequence I don't want to give a backslash before. So what I'll do is I'll simply write a R over here. Okay. So what this R will do? This R will return the entire string or a character which is written in the double quotes or the single quotes. Let's execute it and see. See, I've got one backslash n and I didn't use any other backslash in that. Now, if I want to write four backslashes in a sequence, then what I will do is simply print R and in double quotes I will just give 1, 2, 3, 4 backslashes and will execute it. Now see, you got four backslashes without keeping a count of 8 backslashes. So this is the way we tend to make the things easy. So guys, that's it for all. This time I will be giving you a exercise which will be in the next video. So keep watching and keep learning. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share and subscribe. And if you feel any, if you want to write any comments, just give me the comments below, or you can send me a mail on gauravkapoor.js@gmail.com. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and have a nice day.